Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fun new Instagram Stories feature, the Message to Reveal sticker. This lets you hide content and spark engagement with your viewers. Whether it's juicy gossip, a hilarious photo, or a contest, this sticker makes your stories more interactive. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Once you're updated, open Instagram and create a new story. Or you can choose a photo or video from your gallery. Now, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a smiley face with a square border. Or just swipe up from the bottom. Look for the Message to Reveal sticker, which should appear at the top. If you don't see it, you can search for it. Once you find the sticker, it's time to customize it. You can change its color or add text to make it stand out. Now, place the sticker over the part of your photo or video that you want to hide. You can add other fun stickers or text to make your story even more engaging. When you're happy with how it looks, publish your story. Now here's the fun part. When your viewers see your story, the hidden content will be blurred, and they'll need to send you a DM to reveal it. This makes your story more interactive and exciting for your audience. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.